Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today, we'll be looking at some modern and cool food manufacturing processes you gotta see. We'll be covering how they process their products to completion. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more like it. Now let's get straight into the video. First on the list, we have the Bakery Equipment Solutions. This is a company made up of a line of machines that aim to provide 24-hour operation while maintaining high quality and performance plus hygiene. They're known to have mastered the art of combining gentle processing of dough with the utmost precision while being compatible for both upstream and downstream installations. They have 6 lines of machines that have specific focuses. Let us get into them one by one. First, they have the Aztec bread line. This line of machines is designed to provide industrial production of bread and rolls. It's known for its high versatility, as it can process all kinds of bread dough. No matter if the dough is soft and highly hydrated or a different kind, it can guarantee a seamless and hygienic process. The Aztec bread line can turn this dough into a homogeneous slack dough band even without processed flour or oil. If the product you're looking for are croissants, the Aztec croissant line is in charge of that. Croissants need to be made in a specific way to achieve its unique taste and appearance. This line has its very own patented curling system, which ensures that the tips of the croissants are precisely placed and wet cleaning is done even without a vacuum. Pizza doughs are also done through baking, and the Aztec pizza line has been doing wonders in that field. This line helps maximize the production of pizza dough and pizza products in all formats. One of its most notable features is its expandable modular system, which allows the operators to add their own unique technique or flavor to the shape and texture of the pizza dough. The Aztec donut line enables the manufacturing of delectable, reliable donuts in a range of sizes and forms. The dough pieces are precisely stamped into ideal forms, guaranteeing a consistent look and feel. With this line's high level of efficiency, it's possible to produce a lot of donuts without sacrificing their quality. Similar versatility is provided by the Aztec pastry line, which can produce a wide range of pastry goods in various configurations. Its modular construction makes it simple to configure to meet particular manufacturing needs. High productivity is ensured by quick tool changes, which enable the production of various pastries without wasting time. One standout model in this portfolio is the Rondo Mitos, which incorporates advanced sanitary technology, Aztec, for exacting hygiene standards. Its carefully designed roller system does not require processing flour or oil, making the production area cleaner and more hygienic. The Mitos excels in dependability and cleanliness, and it's simple to maintain and clean. Because it's made of high-quality materials, durability and long-lasting performance is guaranteed. The Rondo Control Concept's user-friendly, bold systems are clear data display on a single screen enable intuitive operation. The automatic log function facilitates audits and improves traceability. Simple operations boost output while cutting down on mistakes. Additionally, the Rondo Mitos promises improved dough processing, maintaining its consistency and texture. It continually creates homogeneous, similar dough pieces, which are necessary to achieve consistency and end goods quality. It can accommodate different recipes and production requirements while handling highly hydrated doughs with extended resting times. On the other hand, this is the Chital Cool Products Limited, and they specialize in producing ice creams. They started in 1987 as a small shop and became a multi-distribution network 30 years later. Originally, this company just started with a simple process, but now they boast about a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility that can process up to 80,000 liters of milk per day and produce around 200,000 liters of ice cream per day. Aside from that, they also have 20,000 kilograms per day Namekeen product capacity. The Chital Cool Products Limited has various machines and technology that can help with its production. It has an IQF production facility, a single-floor candy production plant, which is the largest in India, an incubator technology, fully equipped CIP system, microbiology lab facilities, liquid and solid mixing facility, as well as a snackware weight checker with Japanese technology. One of its notable features is the cost-effective nature of its machines. First, they use solar and wind plants to harness the electricity they need. These solar and wind plants produce their energy on-site and ensure the continuity and quality of energy supply. Even when they don't use conventional energy sources, the quality of their work is not affected because they also have an automated manufacturing and processing plant. This feature maintains the perfect quality of their products even when it's in an optimized mode. Aside from those, they are also very cost-effective in terms of manual labor. For example, the packaging of their products is done in-house, and they also have an in-house logistics solution with over 60 containers. In this way, they no longer have to hire someone outside to finish tasks. Delivering equipment of the highest caliber is something ProBake is proud to do. Their equipment is meticulously and precisely constructed to provide the best performance and efficiency in every baking environment. By purchasing ProBake's equipment, bakers can relax knowing that they are using dependable gear that can endure the pressures of commercial production. ProBake's equipment is strong and long-lasting, allowing companies to get the most out of their investment. The ability to streamline production procedures is one of the major advantages of using ProBake's bakery equipment. ProBake has the ideal equipment to suit your particular requirements, whether you're manufacturing breads, pastries, cookies, pastas, or specialized goods. Their extensive inventory of machinery includes blow lifts, dough mixers, cookie machines, cyclothermic deck ovens, dough mixers for chocolate, such as tempering machines, bread and pastry equipment, water meters and chillers, pasta machines, rack ovens, pet food equipment, conveying systems, and industrial lines. This extensive selection guarantees that every part of bakery manufacturing is covered, allowing for easy operations and higher efficiency. ProBake is also aware of how crucial cost containment is for bakery enterprises. High operating costs can reduce profitability and impede expansion. ProBake focuses on offering customers cost-effective options without sacrificing quality with their commercial bakery equipment solutions. The equipment from ProBake helps bakers reduce energy use and waste by maximizing performance and efficiency. As a result, operating costs are reduced, profitability rises, and resources can be directed towards other business development initiatives. In addition to supplying top-notch bakery equipment, ProBake excels at making sure that their clients have top-notch assistance throughout their partnership. Their team of professionals has a wealth of expertise and experience in the business, making them useful resources for bakers looking for direction and answers. ProBake's dedication to providing fast customer service and technical support when required demonstrates its attention to customer happiness. Bakery entrepreneurs can rely on a dependable support network that actually cares about their success by selecting ProBake as a partner. Ernest Joliet opened a workshop on grilled almonds, candied melon, honey, and pistachio in the year 1920. This has later on expanded to what we now know as Calson's Leroy Renee. They are now 3 generations of nougat makers, calciners, chocolate makers, and confectioners. Although the greatest secret of their products is in how they make it, their equipment also plays a vital role in creating these perfect foods. If you move 10 minutes away from the center of Aix-en-Provence, you will see Roy Renee's confectionery factory with 2 hectares of almond trees. This factory takes pride in how it's combined traditional with the modern process of food production. Let's get to know this factory through their process of creating calsons. 3 essential components: Mediterranean almonds, Apt candied melons, and sugarcane syrup are used to make the traditional Provençal dessert known as calsons. Famous confectioner Roy Renee customizes his recipe by using a small amount of candied orange peel, creating a particularly beautiful treat. Calsons are made by blending flavors and textures in a tasteful way. Peeled almonds and crushed candied fruit are precisely boiled and combined to create the soft yellow paste that makes up the calson's body. Then boiling sugar syrup is added to this lovely concoction to enhance it. A tiny amount of bitter almond essential oil extract is infused into the dough to give it a unique aroma. The paste is then expertly wrapped and allowed to rest for 3 days so that its tastes can mingle before it's handled by the calzonaires. Calsons are covered in a uniform layer of royal icing that is matte and smooth to give them their distinctive appearance. Egg whites and water are whisked together with extreme delicacy to create this delicate frosting. In keeping with tradition, half of Roy Renee's workshop's production is represented by the white icing that covers calsons. In contrast, for other varieties, The icing might be colored with hues based on flavors that go well with the almonds. The calsons must be shaped using both handcrafting methods and equipment. The dough is injected into a piece of unleavened bread using a specialized machine, filling molds that give the calsons their distinctive shape. Next, using a spatula, carefully spread the icing over the cake. Last but not least, each calson is manually turned out by hand using combs to ensure precision and consistency. Despite the popularity of the traditional almond-flavored calsons, adventurous eaters can savor miniature fruit-flavored variations or pursue extraordinary collections that highlight unusual flavor combinations. For instance, the interesting marriage of citrus and chocolate or the seductive combination of strawberry and basil have charmed both locals and candy enthusiasts. These inventive dishes, like the outstanding Tomato black currant pepper calzone made by a nearby Michelin-starred chef, continue to pique taste buds' interest. Each calzone weighs about 13.3 grams, which is the ideal level of sweetness. As their confectioners methodically sort and hand package each calzone, Roy Renee's dedication to excellence is clear. Any flaws, whether in the frosting or the shape, cause the calzone to be thrown away. This level of care for the little things demonstrates Roy Renee's commitment to preserving the highest standards for their famous delicacy. Although they still use manual labor, the Roy Renee Confectionery Factory also has a reliable state-of-the-art machinery that guarantees constant high-quality production. This next company is also made to help the bakery and food service industry. This is the Unifiller Europe, and they have one of the most outstanding solutions for quick, precise, clean, and efficient processing of different products. They're known to have the most flexible yet hygienic systems that can help in packaging regardless of whether it's in form, molds, or trays. One of their most popular systems is the piston filling machine. Through this, all kinds of different products can be processed gently. It also enables a weight-accurate deposit while making sure that the products, as well as their structures, are not damaged. However, that's not the only machine that they have. Let's go over some of them. The Unifiller Hopper Topper is an example of the transfer pumps. Its function is to put batters directly from the mixing vessel, bucket, and other containers. This helps the operator fill the hopper they'll be using in depositing systems and food processing machines. One of its great features is its photo sensors that make sure that the hopper is in its desired level and refills are done continuously. It works just like a hand, gently filling the hopper, except that this is a machine. This means that there will be no interruption in production. It also means it's very easy to use, as operators don't need to engage in some heavy lifting and they can just adjust the pumping speed depending on what they need. It's also very hygienic, as it's stainless steel construction that makes maintenance and cleaning easier. The Unifiller Europe also has food processors like the Unifiller ELF 400SV. This is a flexible depositing system that's capable of depositing volumes of up to 420 milliliters, and for processing products with soft pieces of up to 19 millimeters. Since this has a small appearance, it can fit easily on tables and counters. It also has a depositing volume range of 7 milliliters to 420 milliliters and can deposit up to 140 portions per minute. Aside from that, the operator can still adjust its depositing speed as well as its portion size. Indeed, a helpful machine for the food industry. Last but not least, this is the Sanovo Technology Group, and they have machines that can help in processing eggs. Their equipment can range from egg handling and processing, fertilized egg handling and processing, robotic automation, spray drying, pasteurization of industrial applications, egg-cultured vaccine production, and biosecurity and food safety. They have different equipment that have mastered the art of egg pasteurization already. Their company also promises that they can help in improving the hatchability rates of eggs and also increases the rate on return per egg of broiler and breeder farms. Their machines are not only smart and automated, but also deliver a gentle processing of eggs. Those are just a few of the modern and cool food manufacturing processes you gotta see. If you want to learn more about these amazing machines, you can go ahead and watch our video on the 10 coolest machines that actually exist. We'll see you there.